What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the OnePlus 6T. OnePlus put out a tweet saying the following: check back in 24 hours for an exciting announcement. Hashtag OnePlus 6T. Now, is this going to be the official announcement for the OnePlus 6T? You'll be able to pre-order and do all that stuff. Remains to be seen. Hopefully it is. And if you want to pre-order it, hopefully pre-orders will start tomorrow. The phone's probably going to be in the $600 range if I had to guess. And remember, it has just a small little notch at the top, basically a teardrop, 2 cameras on the back, and then face unlock and fingerprint sensor underneath the display, Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, looking like a very nicely spec'd out phone. Again, no headphone jack, no wireless charging. Next up, the Pixel 3 XL unboxed again. This is like the 5th time we have seen this, and from all the photos and stuff, you can pick what you want from here, but it's all the same stuff. Why am I mentioning it? Why not? If this phone comes out AKA very, very soon, it's going to be announced on October 9th. You can see what you get in the box with the headphones, the cables, all that stuff. And you also get to see some screenshots of the settings. And the settings, you can see that giant notch. And I hate to say it, but that notch just sticks out like a sore thumb on these phones, especially with the white background. And I don't know, maybe I'll learn to love it, but right now I'm not loving the way this notch looks on any of these phones. But regardless, you get to see the Pixel 3 XL in the flesh, or at least digitally. And the last story of the day is about the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, the Galaxy S10 should have LPDDR5 Ram in it. Now, 4 is in the phones we've been using lately, the Galaxy Note 9, S9, S9 Plus, all those phones. But DDR5 RAM brings a 50% speed increase over the previous generation. Now, that's awesome. Obviously, we should have a much better performing, spec'd out, everything phone. And if you think about the Galaxy S10, it's turning out to be an absolute beast. Now, obviously, like I said, you'll be getting the DDR5 RAM in the Galaxy S10, also the Snapdragon 855, and that's not it. You're getting UFS 3.0 internal speed with your storage, also in-screen fingerprint scanner, triple rear camera, so 3 cameras on the back, and who knows what else. It's gonna be a crazy awesome phone. Now, the Galaxy S10, I really feel like once this phone comes out, people are really gonna jump on it. People that might even have Galaxy Note 9s, definitely Galaxy S9s and S8s, I would assume. It's just, there's so much going for this phone, except for stuff that's not already in other Samsung phones or other phones in general. You're gonna want it. It's gonna have stereo speakers, obviously, unless they take that out, which I would be completely shocked. Should have the headphone jack. It's gonna be the beast of a phone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what do you think about that Galaxy S10 so far with all the specs and details that we have about the phone? Is it making you want it? Are you kind of like, you know what, I'm fine with what I have, I don't need it? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm definitely, without a doubt, getting it. I'll be getting rid of probably my Galaxy Note 9 or my Pixel at that point. So thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.